Check. We're back with another stream chat. Today we got honey garlic glazed lamb chop and our mashed potatoes. Tune in, chat. Show love. I got my lamb chop, chat. We got some lamb chop, chat. We got our garlic. We got our heavy whipping cream for the mashed potatoes. You know, real butter, chat. We ain't using that fake butter no more, chat. We made money now, chat. Chat. We making money now, chat. Got the soy sauce. Honey. Chat. Let's try the mashed potato first, chat. Yeah, the sauce is good, chat. Let's try the lamb chop, chat. Let's try the lamb chop. Try the lamb chop without the gravy first. Without the sauce. Without the mashed potato first, chat.